Hey, new baby horse. How you doing, baby? Hey there. And hey, horse mama. That's a good girl. Thank you for the pets. What a good baby horse. It's good, baby. Thank you. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. I like your silly haircut. Looks funny. I like it. Gotten way more friendlier since the last time I saw you. I could tell you love pets more. Thank you. I appreciate that. Got mama horse sticking by her. Give one more shot to the camera. Come on, baby. Show everyone your face. All right, Miss Shy Girl. You've done enough.